Welcome to LeBron Reviews, the place where I test and review products so you don't have to. Whether it's the latest tech gadgets, home essentials, or fitness gear, I've got you covered. If you love finding the best products for your lifestyle, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, I'm diving into an Amazon product review of the Retrospec Solana yoga mat. Let's see if it's worth the hype. This mat has been getting a lot of buzz lately, and I'm here to break down all the details for you. If you're into yoga, Pilates, or just want a comfortable, thick yoga mat for home workouts, this might be the perfect fit. It's designed to cater to a variety of fitness routines, ensuring you get the most out of your exercise sessions. The Retrospec Solana yoga mat is 1 2-inch thick, providing great cushioning for your joints. This thickness is ideal for those who need extra support, whether you're doing floor exercises or more intense workouts. It's made from high-density foam, so no more painful pressure points when you're holding a plank. You see this? The foam material ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable choice for daily use. That's extra comfort right there. Imagine finishing a long workout and being able to relax comfortably on your mat without any discomfort. Plus, it has a non-slip surface, keeping you stable even during those intense poses. This feature is crucial for maintaining balance and preventing injuries, especially during more challenging exercises. No more sliding around mid-workout. The non-slip surface ensures that you can focus on your form and technique without worrying about the mat moving beneath you. This isn't just a yoga mat, it's a versatile exercise mat that can be used for a wide range of activities. From stretching and strength training to meditation and relaxation, it's designed to meet all your fitness needs. It's a best-rated exercise mat for all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this mat provides the support and stability you need to perform at your best. Whether you're a beginner mastering downward dog or an expert crushing Pilates mat exercises, this mat's got your back, and your knees and your elbows, and it's super portable. You can easily roll it up and take it with you wherever you go. The included nylon strap makes it easy to carry so you can take it to the gym, the park, or even on vacation. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. So whether you're heading to a yoga class or just the backyard, it's travel-friendly. You'll never have to worry about leaving your mat behind. Compared to other mats, this one stands out for durability, comfort, and price. It's a well-rounded option that offers great value for money. Many mats either wear out quickly or don't offer enough cushioning, but this one finds the perfect balance. You get a durable, comfortable mat that can withstand regular use without breaking down. It's a great choice if you want the best fitness mat without breaking the bank. And the best part, you don't have to compromise on quality for affordability. It's affordable and available now on Amazon. You can easily order it online and have it delivered right to your doorstep. Want to grab one for yourself? Don't wait, click the link and get yours today. Check out the shopping link in the description. It's your one-stop shop for all the best fitness gear. And if you want an in-depth Amazon product review, including expert insights and comparisons, the blog link is also in the description. Our blog offers detailed reviews and tips to help you make informed decisions. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews from LeBron Reviews. Your support helps us continue to bring you the best content. See you in the next one. Stay tuned for more reviews and recommendations. Until then, happy shopping.